Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of electrical. Today, we have a special treat for you as we're going to dive into the intricate world of a Fuji SCN3 magnetic contactor. Now, this particular contactor is a power designed to handle 440 volts and 30 kilowatts. That's a lot of electricity. As an electrical foreman, I'm responsible for ensuring that this machinery runs smoothly, and so let's get started on our maintenance. First up, we'll be inspecting the contactors, checking for any signs of wear or damage. Then we'll move on to the contactor's making sure everything is in tip-top. We'll also be cleaning the contactor's ensuring they're free of any dirt or that could potentially cause issues down the line. Finally, we'll test the contactor to make sure it's functioning. Thanks for joining us on this exciting electrical maintenance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like